welcome to this video of linear equations in two variables. In our previous videos, we have seen how to solve linear equations in two variables in different methods. Now we are going to see what is the application of it, how we can solve the given situation and we can get the answers of the required questions. Basically, these linear equations are used in such a way, in such a situation where we have two unknowns. And that is, for that two unknowns we take two variables, and where there are two variables we want that set of two informations which we can solve simultaneously and get the answer of the required questions. Let's see one activity in your textbook on page number 20. Now what is this activity? I have written on the board. You can see in that activity that there is a rectangular box. Here in that it is given that I am Sarthak and my present age is X years. Okay. And one more thing is given that I am Sakshi and my present age is Y years. So we can see that there are two persons, one boy called, his name is Sarthak, okay, and his present age is X years. And there is one more girl called Sakshi whose present age is Y years. Okay, present age is given in years. Now, this is given to us and some information is given to us. We have to change this given information into algebraic expression and in equation form. Now, what is here? Sarthak's age is less by 8 than double the age of Sakshi. Now I tell you very unique and special and very easy way to convert the given information into equation. For that, how we will write, you observe how I am writing and accordingly you also learn to write the equation. Now Sarthak's age, where is Sarthak? This is Sarthak. His age is what? X, either from the figure or from this table. Sarthak age is X. Now Sarthak age is. So Sarthak's age is X. Always understand this is means is equal to. So this is will tell us is equal to. Now less by 8 than something. So it is less by 8. So less minus by 8. So it is less by 8. Then what? Then something. That something whatever given here we will write here. Double the age of Sakshi. So this is 8 is less, double the age of Sakshi. What is Sakshi's age? Present is Y. Here you can see, or in this year also, Sakshi is Y years. So it is not less than the age of Sakshi, double the age of Sakshi. To make double, we have to multiply it by 2. So if you have seen, I have not written X is equal to 2Y minus 8. No. How did I write? I have read it and accordingly I have written. So if you follow this smart tip, it is easier for you to frame the equation without going wrong. So Sarthak's age is, that is X is less by 8. Less by 8 than double the age of Sakshi. This is the equation we have framed. Now let's come to this box. How we can fill this? The sum of the present ages of Sarthak and Sakshi is 25 years. Sum means what? It is addition. So how to write? Sum, addition of what? Present age of Sarthak. What is present age of Sarthak? X. And Sakshi, it is Y. Is means what did I tell you to write? Is equal to. So it is equal to. Is 25. See, it is so easy, is it? So you have got one equation here, one equation here. Actually, I can solve these two equations and you can get the answer. But still, here we have one more information which we have to frame equation from this given information. What is this? 4 years ago, Sakshi's age was 3 years less than Sarthak's age at that time. 4 years ago. Situation is given about 4 years ago. Now, what is your age today? Say you say my age today is say 16 years. Okay. So what is your age? What was your age 4 years ago? So what you have to do? Generally students think that it should be 4y. No, it is not 4y. If you multiply your age 16 by 4, what will happen? 16 4 is 64. Your age was 64 4 years ago? No. Okay, so it will take many more years to be 64 years. So 4 years ago, your age will be 16 minus 4. Your age was 12. So whatever you did for your age, you have to do for age of Sarthak and Sakshi. Means your present age is now, suppose this is X. So 4 years ago, what will happen? What will be their ages? Sarthak, what today is X years. So his age 4 years ago will be X minus 4 years. And for Sakshi, if Sakshi is presently Y years old, 4 years before, she will become Y minus 4 years. So what you have to do? Whatever your present age, from that you have to subtract whatever years ago. 4 years ago, that's why minus 4. If it is 2 years ago, it will be minus 2. And what will happen if you want 2 years hence or 2 years after age? If it is hence or after, instead of subtraction, you have to add, because your present age comparing with the future age, your age will be more. That's why you have to add that numbers. Okay. So this is very simple thing or tip to understand while finding the age from present age to the age certain years before or certain years after. Okay. So now we have got these two ages of Sarthak and Sakshi 4 years ago. Now let's see. 4 years ago, Sakshi's age. What is Sakshi's age? It is Y minus 4. So let's write Sakshi's age. Y minus 4, age of Sakshi 4 years ago was. Now here instead of is, we have the to be verb is was. But it will work as equal to sign. Okay. Instead of is, it is was. As is replaced by is equal to, so was is also replaced by is equal to. It was equal to what? 3 years less than. So 3 years less minus than what? That we will write here. Sarthak's age at that time. Sarthak's age that time was x minus 4. So we have to substitute put here this bracket x minus 4. So this will come in your this bracket. Of course, you can simplify if you want. You can simplify or you can keep as it is. From this you can get proper equation. Now from this information, we have got 3 equations. Now how can we solve and we can get the age of Sarthak and Sakshi? It's a puzzle like, na? So I can ask you, so from this information find age of Sarthak and Sakshi. So if I copy these 3 equations at one place, we can solve this equation simultaneously and we can get the answer of what is Sarthak's age and Sakshi's age. So let me write the first equation, say x is equal to this, here we got 2y minus 8, this equation number 1. Another equation we have got x plus y is equal to 25, number 2, and this third equation. So we will now rub this part and we will see the solving part quickly. Okay. And we can get the answer. So what is the age of Sarthak and what is the age of Sakshi? And this can be, say, equation number 3. Now let's use these 2 equations simultaneously and we can get the value of x and y. Now first equation is in the form of x is equal to 2y minus 8. Let it be in this form. Even this is also helpful to us if we use the substitution method. So by substitution method, we can say that putting x is equal to 2y minus 8, that is equation number 1, in equation number 2. So what we will get, see substitution method, write equation number 2, it is x plus y is equal to 25, and therefore what is the value of x? It is 2y minus 8, this is your substituting x, plus y as it is equal to 25. Now collect the like terms, 2y plus y will give you 3y minus 8 is equal to 25, and therefore 3y minus 8 is going on that side, become is equal to 25 plus 8, therefore 3y is equal to, addition of this will give you 33. So if 3y is 33, y is going to be 11. 33 divided by 3 or 3 11s are 32. as you got the value of y, you can put it here in this equation number 1. X is equal to what? 2y minus 8. So therefore x is equal to 2y minus 8. This is equation number 1. Therefore x is equal to, substitute this value of y, 2 into 11, value of y minus 8. Do this multiplication, Bormos rule. Multiplication comes first and then you have to go for addition subtraction. 11 2s are 22 minus 8, and therefore x is equal to 22 minus 8, that is going to be 14. So if x is 14 means Sarthak was x years, correct? In our given information, Sarthak was x years, and there we got 14 years. And Sakshi, she was y years now, and her age is now what is 11. Now how can you verify this information? From this third equation you can verify. So what is your LHS in third? This one, it is y minus 4. So what is value of y? 11 minus 4 is 7. And what is your right hand side? Is this x minus 4 minus 3. So value of x is what? 14 minus 4 minus 3. So 14 minus 4, you will get it 10 minus 3, that is 7. So your as left hand side and right hand side, its values are equal. It is verifying that whatever values you have got, they are correct. So from this example, we have come to know how to frame the equation and how to solve. Using substitution method is also easier. No need that every time you have to go for elimination method. And you can write the answer in word, that Sarthak's age, Sarthak's present age is 14 years. Here your answer will not be x is equal to this and y is equal to this. You have to write answer in words. And Sakshi's present age. And Sakshi's present age is how many years? Sakshi's y, it is 11 years. So your answer should be always in words. When it is word problem, your answer should be word. So in this video, we have learned application of simultaneous equation, how to frame the given information into equation and how to solve. Of course, here we had three set of information. So we had three equations which we use, two for solving and one for verification. But in your general questions, you will have two information, and from the two information you have to get two equation. Sometimes it may happen, students, that you will have only one information. Then how you will get the another information? In that case, you have to use your own previous knowledge about the properties of certain things which you know about that, and you have to frame the another equation. What and how, that we will see in the next videos. Thank you. If you understand this well, please like and share. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.